on him noble character, he said, by Allah, if even one person get guidance through highest wealth for you, if a person called to a good path, then he will receive a reward equal to the all those who follow him. But then Allah will create opposition, and in the matter of comments, prohibition or invitation, Allah says, Allah Ta'ala fi kalamihi al-majid, inna Allah malaikatahu yusalluna ala al-nabi, ya ayyuhalladhina amanu sallu alayhi taslima. اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد.